There is a very interesting question from Suraya which says, what is the stance on organ donations when we die? And what if it goes to non-believers, a non-Muslim? Especially in Muslim countries, for example. Maybe you mean in non-Muslim countries. First of all, giving body parts to people to save or spare their lives, whether in your life or after death, has been permitted with conditions by the Fiqh Council in Mecca. And each case has certain conditions. So now, since you asked about after we die, so you write in your wasiyah, or like in our driver's license in the USA, you get to choose donor or not donor, organ donor, like, in case, God forbid, somebody dies in a car accident, so immediately the ambulance, once they decide he's dead, perhaps they take the heart, they take the retina, they take whatever they can take. So fact number one, it is permissible with conditions. And if you do it with a good intention, you will be rewarded for it. Because Allah the Almighty said in Surah Al-Ma'idah, وَمَنْ أَحْيَاهَا فَكَأَنَّمَا أَحْيَا النَّاسَ جَمِيعًا. So saving, sparing a life of a single human being is equivalent to saving the entire humanity before Allah the Almighty and in His sight. This is such a great reward you can do. With the advanced science and medicine and organ transplantation process, it has become very accessible. And there is a long queue of people whom their life is, waiting. Maybe they will get it, maybe they will die before, including heart transplant, liver, kidneys. So the first condition, it's mere donations, no compensation. Number two, the person must be adult, baligh, to decide on his or her own. Number three, with their permission. Number four, it shouldn't be an organ which may affect the family lineage and the inheritance. Like what? The Fiqh Council give an example of the testicles. That's not permissible. And anything has to do with the family lineage, that is not permissible. But kidneys, retina, liver, heart, spleen, all of that is permissible. Yes, about what if it is given or it will be given to non-Muslim, because I don't know. Is it permissible? Yes, it is permissible. Because in this case, saving a life doesn't matter whether it is the life of a Muslim or a non-Muslim. Really? Yeah, because Asma radiallahu anha, the daughter of Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, she was in Medina and her mother came from Mecca to visit and she have not accepted Islam yet. So she sought permission from the Prophet ﷺ, my mother have come to visit me, what am I supposed to do? أَأَصِلُهَا? Shall I take care of her? He said, صِلِي أُمَّكِ, of course take care of your mother, even though she is not Muslim. Barakallahu fikum.